A Rainy Day. Read by Vic from English Tea School. Hello, my name is Rosie.
Hello, my name is Ben.
So, this is Rosie, and that is Ben. This is Grandpa.
Oh, hello.
Let's play a board game, says Ben.
No,
says Rosie.
Let's go to the park.
We can't play in the park, says Ben.
It's rainy today. Look.
Rosie looks at the rain. She's sad. Grandpa and Clunk are here.
I have a new machine, children,
says Grandpa. Clunk the robot has the new machine in his hands. There is a wheel on the machine. Grandpa turns the wheel to sunny.
Look outside the window,
he says to Ben and Rosie.
Wow! It isn't rainy,
says Rosie.
It's sunny. We can go to the park.
The children run and play in the park. Then Rosie says,
Let's play with the kite.
We can't fly the kite, says Ben. It isn't windy. Clunk turns the wheel on the machine to windy.
Thank you, Clunk,
says Rosie. The kite goes up. Then the ball goes up. It hits the machine. The wheel turns and turns. It doesn't stop.
It is sunny.
It is cloudy.
There is rain.
Then there is snow.
My machine,
says Grandpa. The children are in the house. Rosie looks at the rain.
I like playing board games,
she says. Hello guys, now we're going to be doing activities, so it's for the parents and it's for everybody. You could try to pause the video at the moment and you can go through this exercise with your children one by one, okay? So there are different exercises, you can try to do that. And as I said, you can pause the video and you can try to do this exercise. Okay, so let's look at some words over here that we have learned today. The first one is ball. Just try to repeat after me, okay? Ball, board game, children, cloudy, fly, hands, house, kite, machine, park, rain or rainy, robot, run, sad, snow, sunny, turn, up, wheel, window, windy. Thanks a lot and see you next time. Bye.